So tonight is another dabble, or whatever you want to call, into the paranormal. I am focusing on either going to a school that I felt a lot of paranormal activity at, or I might be going to the hospital that's been broken down and condemned, but now it runs as a psychiatric ward. So I'm not too sure, but we're going to be focusing on some more paranormal activity tonight. I think I'm probably just going to go down this way and check out over there is some paranormal activity. I might just focus my energy and think, where should I go? So that will be next. So I like to walk in the dark, kind of show the area as it is, because this is a creepy place. I could lighten it up. See where we're at right now. I feel some paranormal activity out here actually. Don't really know what it is. Probably something in the trees. I feel like there's something in the trees actually. What was right there? It's strange how you can feel paranormal activity before you even get to it. This is a pretty creepy area. It's, really don't know what to call this area, but um, it's a pretty creepy area. There's a lot of security around here. Kind of makes you wonder why there's so much security. And like the structures of the buildings are really weird. There's a lot of abandoned buildings around here. Sometimes I don't understand why, but you know what? Let's do a ghost screen and see if we see any ghosts right here, just to see. Was that David? Was that David? You said. Oh shit! Who are you? It's getting kind of mixed signals here. This tree right behind me. Can you give me a sentence? You're a demon. I'm not joking. There was something on this tree right here. Broken glass. Who are you? It's getting kind of mixed signals here. This tree right behind me. Can you give me a sentence? You're a demon. I'm not joking. There was something on this tree right here. Can you communicate to me? What's approachable? What's your name? Oh, I see. I seen you by the tree right here. Did you see that? What's your name? Can you tell me your name? I'm gonna get my infrared out. In the chair. In what chair? Guys. What's your name? Checking this tree right here with the infrared. What's your name? Who are you? I seen you by this tree earlier.
Seems to be.
Whatever. Okay, so I got some um, feedback from whatever that was right here by this tree. Very, very strange. I don't really know what to say about it, but we're gonna take a walk through. I'm gonna put up my lights and stuff, and we're gonna take a walk through of the dark and see how it looks out here if you were just walking out here at night, and it's very spooky. So, to leave that said, this was the tree. This area right here was the area. So, let's go take that walk. Oh no, look it. Now this is what I'm talking about. Strange things like this starts happening when there's paranormal activity. Fuck! Let's go! Dude! I think these are demon cats. They disappeared. They were right here and now they're over here. What's wrong with you cats? Whoa! Is that a normal cat? Is that a normal cat right there? Is that a normal cat? Look at this cat. Look at it. Look at that cat. That is so crazy. So I'm over here at this blinking light that just started blinking when the cat started going crazy. I'm telling you guys, there's something spooky going on right here. I seen something white. It looked like a small cat or something, and it ran straight across, but it's gone now, and I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at. What happened? But this was just a throw of a dart, filling my own intuition of paranormal activity, and bam, we ran into it tonight. So was this a success? Don't forget to like and subscribe at the Peaceful Podcast. This was another great night of paranormal activity. I think I found something here. I think we've seen something really weird. Hopefully, I recorded everything. But right here, something ran when that cat. Oh my God, I seen it again. There is something by that tree. What is that right there? What is that? See, like this is some strange stuff I'm talking about. Why is there a weird little window down there? You know, there's a lot of weird things going on around here. So I thought I would come by and just see what's going on. Why is there weird cars out here like that? Like there's a lot of questions to be answered. But I think we ran into something tonight. I'm gonna leave it short and sweet. I'm gonna go through a walkthrough. Just be nice and quiet. Hopefully we don't run into anything too spooky, but we'll see. Something just ran right here. It ran right across, and it was all white. I'm telling you, oh my God, look at that light. We have a blinking light. That light wasn't blinking, guys. I knew it. This area, there's something going on in this area. Look at. So we're gonna take that walkthrough. We didn't even have to go through the dark. Look at this light over here. Definitely something weird going on, guys. Look at my shadow. There's definitely something weird going on over here. Well, guys, oh my God. There must be a connection with birds too, because there's always birds. Birds start going crazy, and everything else starts going crazy. It's amazing. Now we're gonna walk by. I would like to go through this little dark area. Let's go through it. Let's go through this little dark area. That is a creepy sound. I'm telling you guys, this place, something creepy going on. I don't even know if I want to go over there. I'm getting a feeling that's so frightening. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? You see the way that looks like someone's just hanging there? You see that shadow? Let's go this way. This is frightening. I want to go where the light's at. Oh, look at that light, guys. Look at that light. That is something. That is something. That is not good. We got a boarded up window. Really creepy. Really creepy. Let's see what it says over here. Boiler room. That is creepy. Look at those. Look at those windows. My God. Whoa. Do you see that shadow just went by? Oh my gosh, guys. What is out here? What is out here? This is good. This is good. I mean, it's not good. And this is in Fresno, California. That's where I do all my paranormal activity. So, oh my God. And there's the haunted hospital. I had to run. I had to run from that. Now we're at the haunted hospital, guys. All the windows are boarded up. This is a strange place. If someone could just get inside, look, they have barbed wire. Barbed wire on the bottom. What are they trying to keep in there? That's the question. What are they trying to keep inside? You know? Because look at the building. I feel like I unearthed something really creepy. You know? Look, they're keeping something in there, guys. I really don't know what to say. It's been a pretty good night. I'm gonna go back and put all of this together, uh, and go from there. I'm probably gonna come back to this hospital and do some EVP and other things around the hospital just to see what's going on. But I feel like tonight was a great night. Another scary video to put on YouTube, and let everyone think of what they want to say. Please leave a comment. Subscribe to the Peaceful Podcast or the Peace Podcast, and good ghost hunting. Peace. Okay, so I seen something up in the tree right here, and I heard a very weird noise. Wait, what's going on right here? Did you see that fly by? That quick? Oh my God. That is creepy, guys. I'm gonna show you there's nothing around here, but there's something right here. See? There's nothing around here. I told you I felt some paranormal activity. I don't know what it is right here. This used to be an old hospital. Well, it's still an old hospital, but it used to be a hospital.